everyone, this is Ankita Rani, and in this video I will continue with the business, one of the business letter, that is sales letter. Actually in my previous video I had started sales letter, example of sales letter. So I was solving one question. So I have also started the letter. So this part I have discussed. So in the mid part we are supposed to add the sender's information. Actually, let me tell you that I am solving this question. Just to make the connection, I am solving this question where we are only getting the sender's information, and there is no mentioning of receiver's information, that to whom we have to sell the thing. So that part we need to assume, right? So again, coming to the questions. So after mentioning all the sender's information, what you have to do is just leave a single line, add date on which you are writing the letter, then move to the left side, then leave a single space, and then start. This is the section which will deal with the receiver's information. So firstly you need to add the name of the person to whom you are writing. If you know the name, write the name. So here there was no there was no information regarding the receiver side, so I have assumed that I am writing a letter, this sales letter, to the Gautam Soni. So I have written Gautam Soni, and the designation of Gautam Soni is he is purchase manager. So I have written in continuation without solving without leaving a space. Then again, just below this line I have written the company name in which Gautam Soni is working, Indira Info System Private Limited. Then again, below this line what I have added the address of the Indira Info System Private Limited. So this section will deal with the receiver information, and this section will deal with the sender's information. Okay, so just leave a single space, add salutation dear sir, because here Gautam Soni name is given. If you don't know the name, and you can simply start with the designation and add salutation sir ma'am, because that designation may be held by any male or a female, right? So here, because we know the name, so add dear sir. Okay, just from the left side start writing the your main content, main body of the letter. So actually everybody has got their own language. So you are since I have to take some one example, so I have written this thing. So after understanding the what the matter should be included in sales letter, you are free to add anything. There is no need for copy pasting, because you have got your if you have got your own language. So just understand what I am going to tell you, understand the matter, that what is the need of the sales letter, and you can start writing. So firstly, if you don't know that how to start my letter, so simply you can start by introducing yourself. Suppose that whatever I have written, just for a minute, just forget that. So you can simply start writing, because I have not written that line. Just introduce yourself. Open your main body of the letter by introduction of yourself, if you don't know how to start the letter, right? I am Vishal Singh, sales manager of SAP Corporation. I am writing to you to introduce our new software which has been recently developed by SAP Corporation. So in this way you just start with the introduction if you don't know how to start the thing. So I have skipped that line. So I've simply started writing. Let me actually read it out. We are glad to introduce to you our new software, right? Because you have to show that enthusiasm, right? You need to show the enthusiasm. So you can start like this too. It is user friendly, have great capabilities, and will surely reduce your workloads, because we need to be concise at time, because we are spreading information, so we need to concise. So what is the main purpose? Start disclosing that thing after introducing, if you are introducing. So I have written like this: great capabilities and will surely reduce your workloads. This software is in the market for last 3 months and we have got positive responses from many of our customers. We will feel glad to help you in making your task a lot easier, and that also on a reduction in your operational cost. So actually you can write your letter, business letter, in 2 or 3 paragraphs. So in first paragraph, just start your letter with introducing yourself if you don't know how to introduce, and just try to grab the attention of the reader. And if you remember about the what is the sales letter, that in say what our motto is to sell the thing, right? Whatever our company has developed, so you have to sell the thing. So actually we want, being a sales manager, we want that whoever is reading my letter should turn into my customer. So you have to write in that manner. And while writing sales letter, you have to disclose all the benefits, right? All the benefits the reader will get after purchasing my product, right? What are the benefits he will get after buying my product? You should actually try to arise the desire to buy the thing. Suppose that we see advertisement, and in advertisement all the good aspects, they describe all the good aspects. So they want to arise the desire that you should buy my product after looking all the advantages. So you have to do in the same manner. Suppose that you can add, since I have not added that part, you can add, because I just want to because you can it's because you have to grab attention of the customers, so you can add many things, like you have to tell all the benefits, like you can include that about guarantee period, about warranty period, and about discounts, and about the or extra facilities, right? Extra service charges, special service charges, and everything, whatever advantages he will get after being our customer. Because you all are well aware of the advertisements, right? How they promote their products. So you have to disclose all the benefits, and you should try to arise the desire to buy them, because after all your motto should be to turn the reader into customer, right? So this was the first paragraph. Let's come to the second paragraph. This is the last one. I will be proud to introduce you to the features of the software and give a demonstration to you. Since this is a software, so it needs to be demonstrated. So you are saying, being a sales manager, you will feel, so you can write like this: you will feel happy to show the features of, give the demonstration to them. This tool will be a real help to run your work in an effective and efficient manner. We hope for a good business prospect. So now you can see that in a concise way how through this sales letter, how the attention of the reader has been tried to grab, right? Only you can see all the advantages that after purchasing my software, because my software is friendly, it has great capabilities, and you will be free of workloads. So every good aspects, all the good aspects has been described, because we want our product to be sold. So in this way you can write your sales letter. So after finishing the main body, in which actually I have ended this main body of the content in 2 paragraphs, so you can extend it to the 3 paragraphs too. Then after finishing the main body of the letter, what you need to do is to leave a single space, then add thanking you, then you can give a complimentary close. So I've told you, like, many, there are many: yours sincerely, right? Yours faithfully regards, everything you can write like this. Then write your name, because you are the writer, you are a sales manager, you are the writer of this letter. So suppose that your name is Vishal Singh, write your name Vishal Singh, and your designation too. because you are a sales manager. So here you can write, you are supposed to write your designation, and you can put your signature here, right? So in this way you can write the sales letter. So I think you have got a little bit of idea that how you are going to draft your sales letter. So I think you will get, actually in examination you may get any kind of sale, any kind of business letter. So I just pick one of the types, because you know it's not possible to tell each and every type of letter. So just you have to do is to sound, you have to actually, you have to be a little bit visionary, and you have to sound like a professional one, because it's a formal letter. So I think you have got, and you have understood something. So in my next video I'll try to cover some other topics from your syllabus. Till then, thanks for watching my video.